Here are the parts included in the Volant cold air intake kit for the 2005 to 2010 Toyota Tacoma. Once you have disconnected the negative battery cable, remove the bolts which hold on the engine cover and loosen the clamp holding the air duct to the air box. Now the engine cover will lift right off. Next, loosen the clamp holding the air box to the throttle body. Remove the bolts holding the resonator box to the wheel well. Now remove the screws attaching the MAF sensor on the air box. Using pliers, pinch the hose clamp and move it back on the hose so it may be disconnected. Remove the other two bolts holding the air box. And remove it. Remember to disconnect the breather hose from the back of the air box. The trim that goes on the air box intake must be trimmed to fit properly. I couldn't film the installation of the air box on the wheel well since my hands took up all of the space. Here are the two factory bolts which secure the new air box in place. Slide the 3-inch sleeve onto the throttle body end of the air duct along with two large hose clamps. Place the air duct in place and slide the other end of the 3-inch sleeve onto the throttle body. Place another large hose clamp and the opened end of the air filter on the air duct. Tighten down all three of the hose clamps. Attach the supplied 5/8-inch breather hose to the air duct and to the motor. Use pliers to slide the hose clamps and secure the hose on both ends. Connect the 1/8-inch breather hose to the OEM breather hose using the supplied fitting and attach the other end to the air duct. Replace the OEM MAF sensor O-ring with the one supplied in the kit. I used a drill to make holes in the air duct for the screws which attach the MAF sensor to the air duct. Install the screws which hold down the MAF sensor on the air duct. Install the airbox cover with the included screws and place the cap over the forward-facing airbox opening. If you look inside the wheel well, you'll see that the screws extend quite a ways past the roof of the well. If you encounter any problems with your tires rubbing on these bolts, you may want to cut them. I also noticed that the OEM engine cover cannot be reused primarily because of the relocation of the MAF sensor. I thought about cutting the engine cover to fit around the sensor, but then I figured it just covers up any dirt which may collect on the engine, and without the cover, it will be easier to keep the motor clean. That's it. I'm very happy with the way this kit is performing, and I think it looks and sounds pretty good too. Keep an eye on Allen Vision for other helpful installation videos. Thanks for watching.